सब लोग ही आगे गए
अरे इतना आगे मत जाओ।
या साइड हो जाओ मैडम 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 जरा साइड हो जाओ ना।
चलो
Carefully selected diamonds. Each Forevermark diamond has a unique inscription number, which is an assurance that the diamond is beautiful, rare, and responsibly sourced. Less than 1% of the world's diamonds are worthy of this inscription. Apart from supporting the environment, we have been associated with the UN Women to promote gender equality and the advancement of women. To address this association, I would like to welcome Mr. Sachin Jain, President of Forevermark.
Thank you so much. आपको बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है. Thanks a lot for coming and joining us for this event, which is a very special event for us, very important event for us at Forevermark and De Beers. Before moving forward, I'd like to say some, very interesting facts about diamonds. कुछ आपको दिलचस्प चीजें मैं डायमंड के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा. ये जो लाइन आप देखते हैं, a diamond is forever. हीरा है सदा के लिए. ये कोई it's not just a marketing jargon. इसमें गहरी सच्चाई है, क्योंकि सबसे तरुण हीरा, the youngest diamond we have mined, is 100 crore years old. It is, and we have also mined diamonds which are 300 crore years old. तो जब भी मैं किसी कस्टमर से मिलता हूँ जिन्होंने मैम if you wearing your diamond and if you notice that diamond that you're wearing, that diamond which is awesome, lovely, and which I'm sure reminds you of a very beautiful moment of your life. But I want you to look at it again, because that diamond is older than Mount Everest, and you're really holding something that is a part of history. People tell me, luxury bags have a history. Diamonds are really a gift of Mother Nature. हम लोग कहते हैं डायमंड रेयर है. मैं आपको सबको एक पर्सपेक्टिव देना चाहूँगा. जैसे हमारे बॉम्बे के शहर में डबल डेकर बस चलती हैं, ईच एंड एवरी सिंगल डायमंड, आप ध्यान से सुने, एक हीरा जो आज तक कभी भी माइन किया गया इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी will fit into this one bus with a lot of room to spare. That's how rare these diamonds are. And Forevermark is 1% of those diamonds. So, in the form of selectivity. She talked about Forevermark being a brand for De Beers. So we are 130 years in the business. Every Forevermark diamond comes with a promise that they're beautiful, rare and responsibly sourced. आपको मैं encourage करूँगा कि हमारे diamonds में हर diamond के ऊपर एक unique number लिखा होता है, which is written, with our unique technology, which is 1/5000th time of a human hair. एक मतलब human के अगर आप बाल का 1/5000वां भाग करेंगे, that's how fine that number is. I'll encourage all my friends of media to please look at it. And what it does is, it gives you the guarantee that these are the most beautiful diamonds in the world, with 100% guarantee of De Beers. Now, in our business of diamonds and business overall, एक जो साझेदारी होती है, जो partnership होती है, that is very close in particularly in the business of diamonds. And for us at De Beers, whenever we make our partners, we make it very, very selectively and carefully. And today I can tell you, I feel very grateful and very proud that today we are launching our partnership with Vaman Pete, which I'm sure you will know a lot of about this brand. But Vaman Pete has been around for over 100 years, which not many brands in the world exist. They've been there in on the 4th generation. And for us at De Beers, it's very important why we partnered with them. And first and foremost, why we partnered with them is that over the 100 years of Vaman Pete's existence, and जो consumer इनसे खरीदते हैं, they stand for trust and integrity. I mean, consumers are coming back to them again and again, because what they give to the consumers, they stand behind them, and that in the diamond business is fundamental, and for De Beers that is most important. Secondly, what is another thing is that is most important is, अगर आप इनके शोरूम में चारों तरफ देखें, you'll see what we say is master craftsmanship. The consumers, for their taste, the kind of products they create, and I would urge all of you to look around. These pieces are really beautiful and very well known across India. And for a lot of consumers in this part of India, that we know Vaman Pete is a very popular name, but they have not just got proud for their own name, but for India, where all over India they're very well known. So thank you, Aditya, for giving us the opportunity. We at De Beers are very happy and proud that we are your partners today. And this
select authorized retailers across the country like Vaman Hari Pete. Vaman Hari Pete Jewelers is a leading fine jewelry brand in India. Put your hands together for this stunning beauty.
Hi, Roman. Thank you. Hi.
Thank you for gracing the occasion, Homa. It's an honor to have you at the launch with us today. I must say you're looking stunning in those fabulous earrings.
Fabulous earrings.
So, speaking about diamonds, when you go diamond shopping, what do you look for?
Well, what do I look for? My mother always said diamonds about the seas. That's the traditional way of thinking. You know, the carat, color, clarity, cut, and color. So I think that's the traditional जो मम्मी से वो मिलती है ना कि ये होना चाहिए diamond में. But I think ever since my association now with Forevermark now for many years, I think I just pick up a Forevermark diamond because I don't have to worry about anything at all because I know that these diamonds are beautiful, the designs are stunning, they're rare, they're responsibly sourced. Which if you are somebody who really is worried about the world that we live in and the politics that is going on, you would be concerned about. So I think all these things make Forevermark the perfect diamond for me.
That's great to hear. Your Forevermark is your go-to diamond. So does the diamond spark any special memories for you?
Lots, yeah. I think हमारे घर में जब भी कुछ होता है ना तो my mother always had this traditional way of thinking कि you jewelry खरीद लो कुछ. So I think whenever I was growing up, I think it started off with like a small pair of earrings, then a ring, then a little pendant. So I think with each birthday or अच्छे marks in exams or whatever, we always got like a little diamond or a little piece of jewelry as a gift. And my mother used to think कि अच्छा है ये शादी के लिए रखेंगे अभी.
That's perfect. Okay, so now we're going to play a little rapid fire round. So are you ready?
I'll try.
I'm going to throw a word to you and you come back with.
Throw a word to me.
Yes. Beautiful.
Diamonds.
Diamonds.
Forever. Mark.
Love.
Eternal.
Jewelry.
Mine.
Rare.
Beautiful.
Trust.
Forever Mark.
Promise.
Promise. Promises are meant to be kept, not broken.
Perfect. Thanks for being so spontaneous. So you've come to launch Forevermark at Vaman Hari Pete. Can you share a few words about the association?
Well, this is the first time I've come to their store, but I do know that they're one of the most trusted jewelers in the city. And क्योंकि मैं दिल्ली से हूँ and I didn't grow up here, so I think otherwise this would have been the place. I think my mother would have dragged me for all her shopping sessions. But this is a brand that has been known for years, and I know a lot of my friends and their parents, they buy jewelry from me and have been buying for years. Well, it's one of the oldest, if I'm not mistaken, and it's also one of the largest. So I think this association with Forevermark and Vaman Hari, I think it is just, and thanks for bringing me over here because I think I feel so honored to be part of this family now.
Welcome aboard. According to you, why should a customer buy Forevermark?
Why should a customer buy? Because I think they're just such beautiful diamonds, I think for me, durability, in design is very important. I think if a design is beautiful, at the same time for me, I like to wear like a small piece of jewelry every day. So for me, something that's classic and elegant. I think Forevermark has really figured out this beautiful marriage of being elegant and making the right designs for the modern Indian woman. We like to dress up. We like to dress traditional, but at the same time, we don't want it to be too fussy. So I think they've cracked that code, that elegant code correctly.
Yeah. Okay, so lastly, do you have any message for your fans when they go diamond shopping?
My message to all my fans is when you buy diamond shopping, just buy one for me and send it to me.
Okay, thank you for your candid responses. I would like to now welcome the spokespeople back on stage for a photo op for the media.
फोटो करू दे ना मला यार. असं कसं उगाच तू बरं. फ्लॅश चालू कर ना. कल्पेश. हॅलो भैया.
सेंटर मैम हो गया दादा थोड़ा पीछे थैंक यू
अरे थाम ना दादा अपना सेंटर में लगा
मार के बैठ जा
उमा जी आपके सामने उमा मैम सामने
होगा ना तो वैसे ही रहेगा सामने सामने
सामने मैम
मैम सामने मैम
मैडम
यहाँ
यहाँ पे भी
मैम वीडियो वीडियो
यहाँ पे
हो गया भाई हो गया यार कितना करेगा अरे लोगों ऑडियो के लिए वीडियो के लिए दत्ता थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ
भाई चेंज हुआ प्रोग्राम क्या हुआ प्रोग्राम चेंज इधर हमारे इधर पहला उमा जी पहले स्टील की तरफ आए
ये लाइट
बड़ा सा चुनरी का पैसा
बड़ा डायमंड का पैसा बड़ा देता है नेकलेस वगैरह चलेगा हां नेकलेस को बड़ा ही
या दे
हम एक काम करके देख आईने में देखिए ना
लाइट आ रहा है लाइट आ रहा
थोड़ा आपके राइट में
तो उसमें से सॉरी
ये लाइट बंद करना था ये लाइट बंद कर रहा है
लाइट से किस तरफ
मजा हम लोग को लेके लगा
थैंक यू इतना सस्ता चीज है हम लोग किया
ये वाला इसका ये बस है देखिए आपको
मैम आप
आइए आप कल
यस
अरे स्टील दादा पीछे आ जाओ ना
चलते
थोड़ा यहाँ पे लोगे तो अच्छा मिलेगा आप बैठ जाओ ये सही है भाई हो गया थैंक यू
थैंक यू बहुत